everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV SHOT Show 2024 in Las Vegas. I'm here at the Kimber booth. I know a lot of Kimber guys out there, 1911 guys, always want to see what Kimber's showing off at the show. We've got something brand new. Got my buddies Blair and Everett with me. Everett, what are we looking at this year?
You bet. Thanks so much for stopping by. And what we have is our new KDS9c railed model. So last July, we released the KDS9c, which was the high-capacity 1911 variant that a lot of our consumers were looking for. And the number one thing that people were looking for when we dropped that model was a rail and an ambi safety. And 6 months later, here we are.
Yeah, tell me all about the features as if I don't know what this gun is at all.
You bet. So it's specifically designed for concealed carry. What's great about the gun is it's fully machined and 100% American made. You've got a 4-inch fully fluted and crown barrel. You have an ambidextrous safety, a reversible magazine release, an external extractor, and the rail for lights, an optic mounting system, and an 18+1 capacity. So shooting out there on the range, you don't have to reload nearly as often as you do with a traditional 1911.
Curveball for you. So how much does this gun weigh?
This gun weighs 27.8 ounces.
Okay. All right, so look at that. My man Everett is on top of it. He knows it down to the 10th of an ounce. Talk to me about optics mounting options. What am I, if I want an RMR like you've got there, does that go natively? Do I need a plate? How's that work?
You bet. So the optics mounting system does require a plate to transition from a Trijicon RMR family. So the SROs, the RCRs, the new RMR HDs, all that will fit in the traditional plate, but then you also have Holosun K adaptability as well as Vortex Venoms.
Talk to me about magazine compatibility.
So the magazines are proprietary to the Kimber platform. The magazine release does not pair with any standard out-of-the-box Metgar or Checkmate styles, so it is proprietary to the brand.
How much do those mags set me back?
Depending on if it's on sale or not, anywhere between $39 and $49.99, depending on the season.
Yeah. I mean, not so bad for like a high-end manufacturer. Grip compatibility.
Grip compatibility, so this is where a lot of folks says the next step that they're looking for is more highly textured scales. So the smooth back strap and the serrated up front strap is pretty nice as far as that's concerned, but people want a lot more tooth, so we're working on some new grips.
Okay, and the grips are specific to this gun?
Yes. So it is a patented grip mounting system, so there are some grommets in there to keep it in place. It won't move once you really start to go to town on speed.
If I already have a whole bunch of holsters, will they work or do I need something else?
So you do need something else because the short 4-inch barrel is not typically mated with what would be considered commander length 1911s. So right now, out of the gate, the folks at TXC Holsters in Texas make a light bearing model for the Surefire X300, Streamlights on deck, and they also make appendix carry for left and right-handed shooters.
How much is this going to set me back and when does it come out?
So what's nice about this, and which is better than what we did last year, is this gun is shipping in the next week. So we've got production already scaled up. We've got several hundred in inventory. We've got dealers on the way, and I can tell you right now, this is going to set you back street price around $1,750.
I didn't forget about you over here, Blair. One of my neighbors here from Louisiana. Blair, are you originally from Louisiana? Or?
Originally born and raised.
Where?
Baton Rouge.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry about that. I hope you're not an LSU fan. Went to Florida State, go Noles. Anyways, talk to me. You're one of the pro shooters. Talk to me about this gun.
Yeah, so I've been using this gun as my primary EDC probably for about 2 or 3 months now. I really like it. The grip is not super aggressive, but I really like that. I really love the safety features. It's super smooth. It's not snappy. I've ran several different types of ammo through this gun, haven't had a single problem with it. It's super concealable, it's lightweight. I really love it.
How's the trigger?
So it actually has a great trigger on it. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy either, where you feel like you're counting to 25, waiting for the trigger to go. But yeah, no, it's really nice. I love it. I've actually carried it on like ruck runs, running, movies, just out and about every day.
You an appendix gal?
Yes.
Yeah, see, a little bit easier for women, I want to say. I'll just leave that to your imagination. Blair, thank you so much for being on the program. Everett, thank you for all your help. Yeah, go ahead. Go back and check your look at that. That was the most SHOT Show thing ever. Get Everett checking his phone. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2024. See ya.